Mark here, Life and Fitness Files. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Today, talking about Walmart Spark orders specific to incentives. I have a few other videos highlighting specific tips on what to look for, different parameters, and things to consider when looking at those incentives. Today, I wanted to sum up those parameters so that you can make sure you have all of the information and that you don't miss something. So with these incentives, you're going to find those in the notifications. A few things to consider as a whole so you can look at how you can make this meaningful. One, make sure your zone is the correct zone. Those notifications will pop up in the zone that you are set to most recently or currently. So you might want to change that zone so you can see notifications if you're going to be in a different zone for doing orders upcoming. But you may also want to check different zones to see if different incentives pop up. With those incentives, you might see $5 per order, you might see $20 per 4 orders. But if it says qualifying orders, you want to make sure that you are checking that symbol so that the orders you are doing are qualifying. Otherwise, you're not going to be working towards that incentive. You also want to make sure that you're looking at the right parameters, not just the zone, but also the date and the time range. If it's for this weekend, it might only be Sunday. It might be Saturday and Sunday. And then it might be 6 to 8 a.m. It might be 3 to 10 p.m. Make sure you have all of those things in mind when you're looking at it. Additionally, you can check the status of your incentive. So are you actually working towards this, or am I missing one of these parameters? Oh my gosh, I'm in the wrong zone. This isn't even working for the zone that I'm in. Or I'm on the wrong date, or I'm not in the time range, or hey, I'm working towards this, I'm watching the status, but it ends at this point, I'm not going to make it, so I'm not really going to worry about it too much anymore. Whatever the case may be. So these are some of the different factors that go into play when you are looking at those incentives. Make sure that you have all of that in mind as you are doing it so that you aren't missing something and thinking you're doing something that you're not, and then you get frustrated. What has been your experience? Are you someone that works towards those incentives, or do you find them worth it? Do you get a lot of the qualifying orders actually showing up? Do you get incentives in your area? Some zones I noticed, it depends on how many people they have doing it and the orders coming through. So some zones, it doesn't really pop up, but by me, I have multiple options, probably 3-4 options of different zones that I can go to and make that choice. What has been your experience? Do you have questions? Leave those in the comments below. Make sure to like and subscribe to stay up to date with content. Check out some of my other videos on Walmart Spark. I have a big tutorial on there on curbside pickup, shopping orders, lots of other videos, DIY, health, nutrition, sleep, all kinds of stuff. If there's something you want to see, let me know that in the comments below as well. Here's to life and fitness.